Good morning, millionaires! Welcome to another episode of InvestTalk,
where we feature the best properties in the Philippines,
talk about trends about real estate,
and tackle the best deals that you can get.
First of all, I would like to thank you guys for watching our previous video of 2-bedroom unit at Park McKinley West. I hope that you really enjoyed that.
But before anything else, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share this video to more millionaires.
And today we'll be going to Uptown Bonifacio.
That's right, Betty. Uptown Bonifacio is a Megaworld township located at Bonifacio, Global City.
Yes, and I'm so excited to tour around Uptown Bonifacio. Ano ba yung mga makikita doon, Jared?
Syempre, kumpleto na tayo dyan. May mga restaurants, Uptown Mall is located, landers, and marami pang iba. Ready ka na ba?
Of course!
What are you waiting for? Let's go and let's find out what's inside Uptown Bonifacio.
Hi millionaires, this is Benedict Buno from Ignite Prime Properties, where I am here right now to talk about Megaworld's Township, which is Uptown Bonifacio. Nakikita nyo sa place na to, napakaganda, where lifestyle is really good, and there's a lot of companies invested here, ranging from real estate to bank and finances. So technically, with the growing demand here at Uptown, there's a lot of projects that will be offered soon, right Andrea?
That's right, Ben. Hi everyone, I'm Andrea Landicho of Ignite Prime Properties. Uptown Bonifacio is a 15.4 hectares that houses new luxury and residential condominiums, commercial developments that are designed for sustainable living. The combined presence of iconic landmarks and the appeal of the city's well-thought community and world-class facilities serve as the pulling string that may continue to encourage expats, Filipino socialites, and multinational companies who found their home or expand their businesses in the heart of Bonifacio Global City.
In this fast-paced developing country, we need to take things slow and enjoy life. And what better way to do it than go to a place nearby with your friends or colleagues after work? Uptown Bonifacio is a community where each and everyone can have their own hangout spot that tailors to their needs.
That's right, Jason. Hi millionaires, I am Jared of Ignite Prime Properties, and for today's video, I am here in the Uptown Mall. Uptown Mall is a 4-level mall, which is a good place to dine, work, shop, and have some coffee. And beside the Uptown Mall, we have the Uptown Parade, where the South After restaurant is located.
Hi millionaires, I'm Bettina of Ignite Prime Properties. Uptown Bonifacio is a promising cosmopolitan township to rise here in Port Bonifacio. It beacons a highly developed lifestyle, offering a luxurious residential condominium. And you can be assured that everything you need is within your reach. As you can see behind me is the Uptown Arts Residence. It is a UPTOWN Preselling condo here in BGC. And it is a smart home residential condominium offering a 12 units per floor. And it is located in the northern tip of BGC and have access to Kalayaan Avenue and Seaport Park.
So millionaires, napakaganda talagang tumira sa Uptown Bonifacio. Imagine merong banks, may malls, may offices, and may schools. Name it, everything in it is within reach, right?
Yes, that's right, Ben. Kaya kahit ako, gusto kong tumira dito sa Uptown Bonifacio. Biruin mo ba naman, 1 elevator away ka lang sa lahat ng needs mo?
Agree. So maganda talaga mag-invest sa Uptown Bonifacio, di ba?
Correct. And meron pa po kaming no spot down payment promo na pwede nyo pong i-take advantage kasi September 2025 pa ang turnover ng Uptown Arts Residence.
So to know more about the details of Uptown Arts Residence, you can comment down below or you can message us through the details provided below. I'm Andrea.
I'm Jason.
And I'm Ben.
I'm Betty.
And I am Jared. And we are
Ignite Prime Properties, igniting brighter futures.